A new report is calling for strategic coexistence of the mitumba trade, which supports about 2 million livelihoods and the domestic textile manufactured as complementary drivers for economic growth, job creation and sustainability. Here is Regina Manyara with the details for you.
The latest report indicates that 2 million livelihoods depend on mitumba, most of who are women, youth and informal traders.
The 2 million people that we're talking, 1.8 to 2 million people that we're talking about here are people who are directly and indirectly connected to one trader.
The 2025 economic survey indicates that Kenya imported new textiles worth 60 billion shillings in 2024 compared to 28 billion shillings spent on mitumba clothes.
Facilitates jobs of people who are trading directly, whether at wholesale, retail, import level, but at the same time, other people, as you've heard, say a student, right, who in his spare time, in addition to be running, being a permanent student.
The report further indicates that 9 in 10 Kenyan households spend under 1,000 shillings in every 3 months on mitumba clothes. The report further recommends harmonizing import regulations, enforcing quality standards and supporting local manufacturers in the textile and apparel sector through tax incentives and training. Regina Manyara reporting for Prime Edition.